Hello students, welcome to class. Our topic for today is the meaning of chemistry and the career prospects in chemistry. Chemistry can be defined as the branch of pure science that study the composition, properties, uses and changes that matter undergo during a chemical reaction. The word chemistry is derived from the Egyptian word alchemia, transcribed to alchemy, which means turning lead into gold or turning a less valuable substance to a more valuable substance. Alchemia, or alchemy, is described as a chemist. Later the suffix -ry was added to the word chemist to become chemistry, which is used to describe the act of a chemist. Chemistry is one of the three main branches of pure science, the other two being physics and biology. Chemistry probes into the principles governing the changes that matter undergoes. Some of the chemical changes which matter undergoes include burning candle, cooking, burning firewood, rusting of iron, rotting leaves, and many others. Chemical changes are otherwise known as chemical reactions. The knowledge of chemistry helps us to subject some matter into chemical processes, thereby producing some materials for our everyday use. Such materials include soaps, detergents, hair cream, perfumes, margarine, plastics, and many others. There are three main branches of chemistry: inorganic, organic, and physical chemistry. Career prospects in chemistry. Career prospects in chemistry simply mean the job opportunities that are available for students that have the knowledge of chemistry. Such students can be employed in private and public sectors such as teaching service, health sector, food processing industries, pharmaceutical industry, petroleum and petrochemical industries, manufacturing industry, extractive industry, agriculture and forestry, and many others. Teaching service. Chemistry teachers and lecturers in secondary schools, polytechnics, colleges of education, and universities. Laboratory assistants in schools and universities. Chemical engineering. Chemical engineers apply the knowledge of chemistry, physics and mathematics to the processes that convert raw materials to useful products. Consumer products chemistry. Consumer products chemists produce the materials that we use in our homes and everyday life, such as soap, shampoo, toothpaste, and so forth. Water chemistry. The chemists in this field seek to improve the quality of water. They are very important in the production of potable water. Green chemistry. Those in this field produce environmentally friendly alternatives to products that pollute the environment. Forensic chemistry. These chemists use various analytical techniques in the investigation of crime. They test the credibility of various chemical products and processes. Medical chemistry, health services, pharmacists, biochemists, chemists, nutritionists, dietitians, doctors, nurse, medical assistants and dispensers. Petroleum and petrochemical industries involves processing crude oil and its derivatives. Application chemists, research chemists, chemical engineers and laboratory assistants are required in these industries. Manufacturing industries, research chemists and chemical engineers in the wide variety of manufacturing industries such as iron and steel works and cement factories. Others include agricultural science, physiology, forestry, food technology, and research chemistry. Food processing. This involves food technologists and research chemists. Extractive industry. This involves chemists, mining engineers and geologists. Agriculture. This involves agricultural scientists, chemists, biochemists and physiologists who engaged in research to improve the quality and yield of crops and livestock, and to advise farmers. Forestry. Scientists engaged in research to preserve and improve forests and forestry products. Toxicologist. They are responsible for testing various blood and tissue samples to detect the presence of poisons, alcohols, drugs and other substances in the body. They might help answer questions related to criminal cases. Analytical chemist. They study about chemical analysis. This involves knowing the composition of chemical substances for toxicology or forensic examination. Pharmacologist. They perform studies on new and existing drugs and other pharmaceuticals for their effects on humans and animals. They study the source and chemical makeup of drugs. They might be responsible for ensuring drugs are safe and adhere to rules and regulations. Materials scientists. They study and analyze both natural and man-made items. Their findings might be used to develop new materials, alter materials, or make decisions about using materials differently. Geochemists. These people study the appearance, movement and effects of chemical compounds on the Earth. This might involve the movement and distribution of compounds through water systems, the chemical makeup of minerals and more. Oceanographer. They are responsible for searching marine ecosystems. They perform scientific studies on topics like seafloor geology, ocean life, water compounds, circulation and more. These and many more are the career prospects in chemistry. If you find this video educating, please subscribe, like, share and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next class.